Rojas Night Market. And what is this here? Ay, mga what they serve. Mga food trucks. Oh, video ko ha. Food trucks are here. So nice. There's a lot of food trucks. 495 kitchen. Look at the people. And the Rojas Night Market. Oh, what a beautiful. Ay, there's a Kusina Davao. Sige, makuha kayo sa video ko. Kusina Davao. Wow. Kusina Davao. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. Oh, not yet started. No, ay mga food truck vendors. Video ko ha. I see the Rojas Night Market. How busy is the Rojas Night Market? Nice. See the barbecue here. Look at this. Take up a barbecue on the Rojas Night Market barbecue. Wow. Barbecue, the Rojas Night Market. Asan yung stall? Oh, sige. Ayun sa vlog, be. Oh, makasarap ang barbecue sa Rojas Night Market. Guys, come and visit Rojas Night Market. Barbecuehan. Asa, number 14? Ha? Number ay, correction, number 34 daw siya, guys. Ang itong Rojas Night Market Barbecue. Come here at Rojas Night Market. And we have also high class na nila diri I did pictures. Videos. Look at this. Look at this. Rojas Night Market, guys. I'm taking a video. Look at the people, so busy night market of Rojas, Davao City. How beautiful is Rojas, the Tineo of the road. See? Look at the. I feel so hungry. Only a phone. How beautiful is the condominium? Pentagon? Look at this. Look at cool. Look at this. Barbecue. That's a barbecue though. Look at Rojas Night Market, guys. Oh. Now welcome to my vlog. That's it. Anong stall ka, kuya? Hello, guys. Look at this. Sino the boat again? Then, what's this? Look at this people. Here in Davao, oh, see how they enjoy eating this. Food truck. Dinner time. You see? See, lechon belly. Food truck lechon belly. The bin expensive. This is the coffee shop. Oh, look at this people. I'm taking the video. What's this? People of Davao. Look at this. No. Bean Express ang coffee nila. How much the coffee here? Yeah. Coffee. This is Davao City. You know, at night. Bye bye guys.